In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Firebase Project ID quick and easy 2026. Before we jump in, a quick note on what you're looking for. The Firebase Project ID is the unique identifier behind your project. It's different from the display name you see in the console. You'll use this ID in your app configuration, command line deploys, emulator setups, and when connecting other Google Cloud services. It's fixed once the project is created, so finding the correct one and copying it accurately is important. First, head to the Firebase Console in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account that has access to your project. Once the console loads, you'll see a list of your projects. Pick the one you want to work with. The project card shows its name and often a brief description, which can help you confirm you're opening the right one, especially if you manage multiple environments like development and production. After your project opens, click the Home icon within the project. This takes you to the project's home dashboard. It's a simple way to make sure you're on the main overview screen, which helps the next step feel familiar no matter how your left navigation is organized. Now, open the General section. This is located in your project settings. On the General page, look for the Your Project area. You'll see fields like project name, project number, and the one we need, project ID. The project ID is typically all lowercase and may include dashes. Unlike the project name, it's not meant to be pretty. It's meant to be unique and stable across tools and services. Because of that, it's read-only here. When you find it, use the copy control next to the field to grab it without typos. Paste it wherever you need it, your web or mobile app config, your CI, CD variables, or your Firebase CLI commands. If you're sharing it with teammates, make sure you're sharing only the project ID and not any credentials. The project ID by itself isn't sensitive, but avoid pairing it with secrets. If you don't see the General section or can't access project settings, check that your account has sufficient permissions on this Firebase project. A project owner or editor can help you verify access. That's it. Go to the Firebase console, open your project, click the Home icon to anchor yourself on the dashboard. Then open the General section to view and copy your project ID. Simple, quick, and you're ready to keep building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.